I'm really doing way too much. I'm sorry.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. Oh my God, I forgot. I only had 2 sips, like I promised. Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I'm back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. What just happened to me? Which one of y'all kicked me? Girl, I have to be honest with y'all. It's been a long week. Hopefully this can just bring me back. Y'all tell me what you're drinking down below. Are we doing water? Are we doing coffee? Are we doing tea? Let's go ahead and get into this hair. Y'all see this hair on my head? Ooh, the edges. Who is struggling in the edge department? I raise my hand, me. As you can tell, this is a headband wig, but I did something a little bit more cute, creative, and fun with this headband wig. But before we get into the details of this headband wig, I need y'all to subscribe and hit that post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post, because y'all know I had told y'all in the last video, I'm trying to make it to 50,000 by the end of October. So you want to be a part of that or not? Let's go ahead and get into this hair because I'm done begging y'all. I ain't too proud to beg though. Let's go ahead and get into this hair. So I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get into the details of this headband wig. I ain't trying to hold y'all. Y'all trying to be here for a good time, not a long time. This wig is a water wave headband wig. It is 150% density and it is 26 inches long. Of course, it doesn't have any lace on it. It's just mostly tracks. And of course, it comes with a headband with a little Velcro strap in the back. And the interior of the cap construction is 4 combs and adjustable straps. They trying to make sure she don't go nowhere. I don't use the combs. Y'all know my hair is like this, so I can't. Of course, this wig, when I received it, it did in the box, it came with multiple headbands, but I found one that was perfect for me. So that's the one that we used in our video today. I decided to style the headband wig a little bit different. I gotta be honest with y'all. Headband wigs bore me. For me, it gets boring because I need versatility in styles. I just don't want it to look like a headband with a little piece of cloth on it. Like that can be cute for like running out the house, but I love finding styles that you can do with the headband wig that makes it look cute and fun and keeps you wanting to go back to that same headband wig. I styled this wig correctly in 2 ways. I tried 3. I'm not sure if you're gonna see all 3, but I tried 3 styles. 2 of them were successful and super duper cute. So the style I did today was really simple, and I wanted to feature scalp realness. With this style, I was able to bring this up and give you hair realness without giving you hair realness. You know what I mean? Like you really don't see my edges like that. Because if you pull that back, it's just like, girl. Let me actually show y'all the back. I was gonna show y'all the back of this hair. So I did say it was 26 inches. Come on, ab cut. So let me show you what 26 inches looks like. Bruh. Ooh. Come on, BBL. Whoa. I'm really doing way too much. I'm sorry. Ooh. If you want to see how I styled this wig and gave her a little bit more oomph, put a little more on her please keep on watching and then I'll be back. I'm drinking some green tea. OD on green tea. It's a headband wig, but I can't wear a headband wig without a wig grip. This wig grip is from Nadula. It came with my last wig, but I cannot wear a headband wig without a wig grip. It just doesn't work because the combs don't catch because my hair is really fine and thin. girl, it just don't be catching, so I can't do it. So this is the water wave wig from Nadula. Okay, let's go ahead and try her on. We're just gonna try her on now because I want to see what this is giving. Oh, this is cuter than I thought. What? Girl, I gotta tie it. I can't really use the Velcro. Oh, this is cute. I know y'all get sick of me being surprised. Oh, and she's long, honey. I want to show y'all what this wig is gonna look like in the back, and then we can start getting her together. So let me show y'all the back. Ooh. So I have two headbands that I want to style and use with this wig. This is like the Nadula headband, and then this one is a braided headband that I got from Amazon. I got this, y'all seen me use this in different videos, but I'm gonna use her again today. So let's figure out what we're gonna do with this hair. That slid right off. If y'all see me in a headband wig, just know she's not secure and she's not okay. Okay, so for my hair, let's go ahead and take her out. We're gonna go ahead and part her down the middle because we're just gonna take two little pieces. I don't have my mirror over here, dang it. So I'm gonna part it where the middle is, and then this is where the hair is gonna be. So these pieces are gonna be out and they're gonna have to be straightened. Okay, so we have our two main little pieces. Twist these together, and then we're just gonna pull this hair back. I think I may need my other wig grip because this one's not hitting on nothing. Why can't I find the center of my head? Look in the mirror, girl. Okay, wig grip is on. Taking the wig, and we're gonna put her back on as well. Using the wig grip, saving edges, period. I can't use the Velcro because my head is really small, so I have to tie it. First, we're gonna take a couple pieces, and I want these pieces to go like that, right? So we're gonna let these pieces come forward to the front of the congregation. Okay, so we're gonna pull this forward like this. This side's gonna go over here. This side is gonna go over here. Twist it into it. Pull this hair back. I'm gonna pull this hair back in a hair tie just to get it out of the way for the time being, because girl, put on these headbands with hair in the way will have you losing your mind. Okay, so we're gonna take this, and how you put it on is just, you just clamp it. It's like a like one of those bra straps. Oh, this is cute, like this. Yes. We're gonna have to straighten my hair. Scary for if you have hair types like me, like if you got the hair, girl. So I'm gonna use my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. Just gonna spray a little in the hand and then rub it into my natural hair. The only thing about my hair is that it isn't heat trained, so heat is a threat. It's an empty threat, girl. It's not gonna do nothing to my hair. It's not scared straight at all. And I'm just gonna pass it through. I should do the chase method. Why don't I do that? Do the same thing on this side. We may have to do one more pass, but I'm gonna do it with like the chase method. So how do you do the chase method? Is it comb first, or like, is this right? Girl, somebody help me. Uh-oh. I think it's supposed to go behind it. Oh, that's straight. What did I do on the other side, girl? Okay, let's try one more again. And this time, I'm gonna do the little chase method thingy. Oh, girl, that's straight. Oh, that is straight. Girl, who knew? So let's pop this in between, like so, like that. And then I think I need a little wax stick moment. Y'all see that? It looks like it's, oh. I was about to lie to y'all and say it looks like it's growing out of the scalp. It just gotta stay in place. Ah, god, look how cute. Okay, so I'm gonna let the hair down. Giving. Look how cute that looks. I think all we need to do is just a little bit of baby hairs. Okay, so to do my baby hairs, I like using Eco Styler gel. I don't think it's the best for edges, but that's what I be using. So I use the olive oil Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna use my little baby hair brush. We just gonna get in there. Y'all remember when I used to talk cash money-ish about baby hairs? Here I am, just baby hair brigade, just all the time. We're gonna do some right here. Just a little swoop-de-doop. And do the same thing on the other side. Should I put another baby hair right here? Because it be looking like kind of spacey sometimes. It look like a little space bob. I'm just gonna do a little fun one right there. Just a light. Y'all know I ain't got that much hair, so. And for the actual hair, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of moisturization at the top. For the ends, I think I want to trim them just a little bit. The ends feel a little, she feel a little dry. I think I'm just gonna do a little clip. Y'all know I'm scissor happy over here. Love a good trim. And for the hair does feel dry and you're not getting the full effect of the waves. So y'all know I need to add a little bit of product on the hair. Y'all already know what time it is. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I'm not gonna go through in sections. I'm just gonna rake it through all of the hair. Okay, so we've done the hair. So I'm gonna take my wax stick. This is the Hairline Master wax stick. Just gonna use it to melt the hair together. And I feel like a wax stick does a good job of just keeping my hair from like getting all wispy and frizzy and all that. Oh my God, this is finished look for look number 1. It's giving realistic bangs. Honey. Okay, y'all, so this is look number 1. What lace? Ain't no lace. I mean, the only way you could tell, I probably need to color this in. I need a coloring pencil or a Sharpie. I think this style is really cute and simple. It looks so good. This is a quick little style. If you want to wear like some little pieces in the front, just have your wax stick on hand. You probably need to carry your wax stick around, to be honest, but look number 1. Now we can move on to look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, we're gonna do a little play off the first look. So I wanted to still do those same little front tendrils. I like to twist it into the hair just so it is separated from the rest of the wig, because it gets so frustrating when it gets tangled together. So I just took the little headband from the box and I just pulled it over my head. So I thought I was doing something a little different. Wasn't this cute? It looks like something you can wear to a festival. So I felt like this is like, don't you think it's like a festival, girl, Coachella, I don't know, Music Midtown sort of look. But we moved on for that quickly and professionally because I didn't think it was that cute. So we're gonna move on to our next look, which is basically a variation of the first look, except it's with a with this colorful headband. And I felt like this is much cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I thought the braid was the cutest, but I think this is like really cute, fall, even summer, effortless, perfect for the vacation sort of look. And I'm taking some more of that wax stick just to get my hair molded into those little pieces because it really was fighting the frizz. But I thought this was cute, don't you think? Like, you just get your cute little headband, pull these tendrils out, you got another look. So to get to the actual final look, we're just gonna do our little half up, half down moment. So I'm just pulling some hair up, trying to make sure I don't pull up too much hair because those tracks in the back start to be exposed. So I'm taking a black hair tie and just wrapping it around the hair. I wrapped it pretty tight, but not too tight, because you have to remember I have on a wig grip. Ain't no combs in this, girl. This can slip right off my head and embarrass me in front of the whole town. What town, girl? I don't know. So I'm gonna take a little piece of hair and wrap it around to cover up that hair tie. And I wrapped it around pretty tight and it stayed in place without a hairpin. I ain't got no hairpins, I always lose them. So I'm giving you genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me the right way sort of look. I love the tendrils in the front with the half up, half down. I really do wish I knew this style when it was summertime because it looks super cute. Y'all tell me what you think. Okay, y'all, so this is our third look, but the second look that we did right. So cute. Y'all tell me what you think. I love this look. It kind of gives me, what does it give? Like 70s esque. Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. What I love is that it covers up my edges because my edges don't blend with the hair. What y'all think? Y'all tell me what you think down below. What is your favorite style? Is it the first style or the second style? So yeah, y'all tell me what you think down below. What was your favorite style down below? Of course, I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this headband wig to me and sponsoring this video. Y'all can go ahead and say it with me. We got a coupon code. So the coupon code is nadulatb for $10 off. I will leave a link in the description box down below just for you to redeem it, get your money off, girl. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.